Dog behavior. Should dogs be blamed for their aggressive behavior? Dogs have long held the title of man's best friend, providing companionship, loyalty, and unconditional love to millions of households worldwide. However, just like any other species, dogs can exhibit a range of behaviors, including aggression. When a dog displays aggression, it can lead to concern, fear, and sometimes even harm to humans or other animals. The question that often arises is whether dogs should be held accountable and blamed for their aggressive behavior. This video aims to explore the complexities of dog aggression, considering factors such as genetics, environment, training, and responsibility, in order to determine whether dogs should truly be blamed for their aggressive actions. Nature versus nurture, the role of genetics and environment. One of the primary debates surrounding aggressive behavior in dogs revolves around the interplay between genetics and environmental factors. It's well established that genetics play a significant role in shaping a dog's temperament and behavior. Certain breeds have been selectively bred for traits like guarding, protection, or aggression, which can influence their predisposition towards aggressive behaviors. Breeds like the rottweiler, doberman pinscher, and pit bull terrier have, at times, faced reputations for aggression due to their historical roles as guard dogs or fighting dogs. However, it's essential to note that genetics alone do not determine a dog's behavior. The environment in which a dog is raised and socialized also plays a crucial role. Dogs that are inadequately socialized during their critical developmental periods might struggle to interact appropriately with other dogs, humans, or even various stimuli in their surroundings. Neglect, abuse, or inconsistent training can contribute to behavioral issues, including aggression. Consequently, while genetics may set a foundation, it is the interaction between genetics and environment that truly shapes a dog's behavior. Learning and conditioning, the role of training. Training is a significant factor that influences a dog's behavior. Dogs are intelligent animals that can be trained to exhibit desired behaviors through positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement, or punishment. The manner in which a dog is trained can profoundly impact their behavior, including aggression. Dogs subjected to harsh training methods or punitive measures are more likely to exhibit fear-based aggression as a defensive response. This raises an ethical question. Should dogs be blamed for their aggressive behavior if they have been conditioned to react aggressively due to poor training techniques? On the other hand, responsible and positive training methods can help prevent or mitigate aggressive behavior. Dogs trained using positive reinforcement techniques, such as rewards and treats for desirable behavior, are more likely to exhibit friendly and well-adjusted behavior. This suggests that while dogs can be held responsible for their behavior to some extent, the responsibility also lies with the humans who have trained them. Canine communication and aggression. Understanding canine communication is crucial when discussing aggressive behavior. Dogs communicate using a complex combination of body language, vocalizations, and scent marking. Aggressive behavior in dogs is often a result of miscommunication, fear, or perceived threats. Aggressive postures, growling, and barking can all be ways for dogs to communicate their discomfort or fear. In some cases, dogs might appear aggressive as a defensive mechanism to maintain personal space or protect themselves from perceived danger. In these situations, blaming dogs for their aggressive behavior might be oversimplifying the issue. It is vital for humans to be knowledgeable about canine body language and behavior to prevent misinterpretations that could lead to unnecessary aggression. Responsible dog owners should take the initiative to educate themselves about their pets' communication signals to create a safer environment for both the dogs and those they interact with. The role of responsibility, human influence, and ethical considerations. When discussing whether dogs should be blamed for their aggressive behavior, it's important to consider the role of human influence and the ethical responsibilities that come with owning a dog. Dogs are domesticated animals that rely on humans for their care, socialization, and training. As such, humans play a pivotal role in shaping a dog's behavior, both positively and negatively. Pet owners are responsible for providing their dogs with appropriate training, socialization, and care to prevent aggressive behaviors. Neglecting these responsibilities could lead to dogs developing behavioral issues that include aggression. In this context, Blaming dogs for their aggression might be misguided, as it ignores the critical role humans play in a dog's development. Furthermore, ethical considerations come into play when discussing aggressive behavior in dogs. Owning a dog entails a commitment to ensuring the well-being of that animal. This extends to managing and addressing any potential aggressive tendencies in a responsible and compassionate manner. If a dog exhibits aggression, it is the owner's responsibility to seek professional help from veterinarians, animal behaviorists, or trainers to address the issue. Blaming a dog without attempting to address the underlying causes through responsible ownership is both unfair and ethically questionable. Conclusion. The question of whether dogs should be blamed for their aggressive behavior is not a straightforward one. It is essential to recognize the complex interplay between genetics, environment, training, and human responsibility when considering the roots of canine aggression. Genetics may set a foundation, but a dog's environment and training play a significant role in determining their behavior. Responsible ownership, ethical considerations, and a commitment to understanding canine communication are vital aspects that cannot be overlooked when discussing this issue. Ultimately, holding dogs solely responsible for their aggressive behavior neglects the multifaceted nature of the problem. Instead, a more holistic approach that considers the factors contributing to the behavior and the role of humans in shaping it is warranted. By understanding and addressing the complexities of dog aggression, we can work towards creating safer and more harmonious interactions between dogs and humans, fostering a healthier and more compassionate relationship between these two species. If you liked this video, please click the subscribe button and share.